In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your business on Facebook Marketplace. This is a great way to reach a wide audience and boost your sales by making your products visible to millions of Facebook users. Let's get started. First, head over to your browser and go to Facebook's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, look towards the left side of your screen. Here, you should see the Marketplace icon or option. Click on it, and this is where the magic begins. Now within the marketplace, you're going to see an option to create a new listing. Go ahead and click on create new listing. You will be provided with multiple listing options, but for showcasing a product, click on item for sale. This choice allows you to post a specific product with all relevant details. The next important step is uploading photos of your product. Make sure these images are high quality, well lit, and in focus. Good pictures will catch a potential buyer's eye immediately. If possible, include photos from multiple angles to give buyers a complete view of the item. After your photos are uploaded, you'll need to add a catchy and clear product title. Whether you're selling a handmade item or a small gadget, the title should succinctly describe what you're offering. Right after that, enter the price you're expecting for the item. Be competitive, but also ensure you're covering your costs. Once the basics are in, it's time to categorize your product. Facebook provides various categories, so choose the one that best describes your item. This will help those searching for similar items to find your listing with ease. Next, define the condition of your product: new, used, or perhaps refurbished. Make sure to be honest because transparency builds trust with potential buyers. If there are other specifics someone might need to know, use the additional details section to include that information. This might include dimensions, materials, or any special features. Highlighting your listing can also attract more eyes, so click on highlight if this option fits into your marketing plan. After that, you'll need to write a compelling and professional description to give potential buyers more context about the product. Don't forget to add product tags that match the item. These key terms can help boost its visibility when users search the marketplace. Also, be sure to add your business location. It helps with checking shipping parameters and shows buyers how far they might need to travel for a pickup. If you want more people to see your listing, consider ticking the promote listing option. Alternatively, if you prefer privacy, select the option to hide from friends, which will limit visibility. After you've filled out all the information, click on next and carefully review your listing. Make sure everything is accurate and looks appealing. When you're satisfied, hit publish. Your item is now live and ready for buyers to find it. Finally, keep an eye on your messenger for inquiries from interested buyers. Responding promptly can increase your chances of making a sale, so check regularly and engage with potential customers. Following these steps will help you effectively list your products on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling, and I hope you're ready to watch your business grow.